Hey my dear learners, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn about classroom management and element of effective classroom management. These are some of the notes which are very useful for the B.Ed and other education students too. Starting effective classroom management, we will learn about classroom management. Whenever we heard a term about classroom management, the first thing comes in our mind is that how to manage class is not the main purpose. But it is not the main purpose. It is not about discipline, rules and regulation, proper teaching in the classroom. It is a process of carrying out all the actions or all the steps by teacher in such a manner that will create a conducive environment in the class for the teaching suitable process to take place. You can write this as a definition of classroom management. The action and the steps one could take as the various components of classroom management must. These are the components of effective classroom management. Physical design, layout of the classroom, rules and routines, relationship, evaluation and procedure. Physical design, layout of the classroom. This is also known as classroom organization. It is referring about the seating arrangement, the empty passage in between the classroom. These are meant for class supervision in order to know the exact situation whether the students are concentrating or not. Sitting arrangement in the class, the exact time of a round in the class. To divide the soft board in the wall of the class on the right side, left side and the back of the class. All these soft board are for different purposes, like achievement on right side, news on the left and the class week or other theme according to the days at the back of the soft board. Maintain the appropriate place for chalk and duster and marker, etc. Class relation should be conducted in the class. Rotation should be conducted in the class. Sitting arrangement, teacher's timetable, soft board, bulletin board. Under rules and routine, Rule 1, sitting arrangement, rotation and field. Rule 2, leader of the class. 2 monitors for class. They are elected democratically. Rule 3, duties and responsibilities of leader. Look after the discipline of the class before the teacher arrival. Responsibility for collecting the classwork or homework notebook. Take these copies for the staff room and bringing them back to the students. Rules regarding the classroom management should be ensured by. In teacher's absence, they may be allowed or not. In will depend on the teacher's permission to leader. If it is given to the leader, so at one time 2 students can go. Rule 4, for the soft board should be decorated either they are 2 or 3. The group may be divided or on the basis of house, red, yellow, blue, green, etc. Rules should be decided by the teacher in cooperation with the students. The rules will be written on the full sheet and display on any board in the class. Then comes the routine. Classroom routines, movement routine, either in the lab, assembly, library or other. Classroom routine. Make the student learn how to sit in the class and they will be decided by each subject so that all the students have to complete their work for correction of these copies or after completion of chapter or all these dates should be decided by the teacher. The copy should be covered properly and named. How to write an assignment, how to present, how to report and how to submit it. It is all about uniformity in the class. Movement routine. All the time, all have to go together in a line, arrange height wise. That's line should be maintained by the leader so as with they come back. Games teacher teach how to walk. The footsteps should not make noise. In libraries also contain rules a student has to follow. The time of the student should not produce any noise and cause. The sitting position catalog. Searching all these things should be explained before 1 or 2 days ago. These rules should be followed in lab also according to roll number wise, and rest rules are same as libraries. Games teacher should tell beforehand how to reach the grounds. The student should warm up their body by PT and then they are allowed to play. Then there is a relationship among student, teacher, student, and teacher, parents, student, among student. Okay. The student should have to show the positive attitude for others and calm and concern. There should be care and concern, healthy relationship, sympathetic, sensitive to each other, sharing attitude. If they are properly demonstrated by teacher, as they are role model. So as we know that teacher play as a role model, and student used to copy them, that they have to demonstrate a good example in front of them. Relationship with teachers. What kind of relationship should be maintained with teachers? Teacher should develop healthy relationship with one other teacher. He or she should be well informed by the other teacher how their student are, whether it is of arts, game, activities. Teacher have to keep a recording of each subject with other teacher. What are their problems, misbehavior, etc. All these things are required for the report. Academic with non-academic curricular plus co-curricular activities. No scholastic areas of the students. It will help the teacher to interact with their parents. For misbehavior, child teacher may refer to the counselor. If there is any misbehaved child, the teacher can refer to a counselor. Then there comes a evaluation procedure. How to evaluate inside the class? To find whether all the rules are working or not, we need to evaluate overall relationship, discipline, co-curricular and non-scholastic activities of the student. The teacher have to do the grading. On what aspect the grade should be given? Teacher have to do quantitative grading on the basis of their personality. A, B, C. On these reflect the behavior of these things should be decided by the teacher and the administration. Evaluation should be uniform. There should be a complete transparency. Last points. Engaging and interacting teaching. The student will be able to concentrate if a teacher adopts suitable teaching skills, methods. Geography, science teacher use different method. Teaching should be not in one-way process like on-bite lecture. It is according to demand of the subject and situation. It is a two-way process like quiz, debate, discussion, etc. Classroom environment should not be monotonous. Use different skills and methods of teaching while teaching. Always encourage students to come out with their doubts and errors. The teacher not only rely on the bookish method, they have to devise their own methods. So here comes the end of this topic. If you have any doubts, you can tell me in the comment section. Guys, please take a moment to like this video. I am making